Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make walls easily. So basically, first of all, for that, what we will need is that we will have to import a good CAD file that is appropriate for making easy walls and model in AutoCAD. So first of all, we'll go to the file location. Once we have the main model and the main CAD file that we are going to use for making out our model in or AutoCAD, we have to simply import it and delete all the things that are not needed. So basically, this is nothing is needed. So we will just delete it, and this also is not needed. We only need the plan of the whole thing, so we will only keep that much and we remove all the unnecessary things. So that is the main SketchUp rule that you should always follow when you use SketchUp, that there should be nothing that is not of your use that is sitting in your model that will just make your model heavy and hard for you to work it with. So basically, our now plan is clean, so we will group it. We will cut it from inside the group, and we will paste it on the perfect axis. So basically, starting everything with your axis makes many things easier, like doing paste in place and things like that. So after this, what we will select is the whole wall area that we want is this. So basically, we will make a copy of it. We'll make a copy of it just right over here, so around 6000 far. We will explore these things, and we again delete all the things that are not needed for us to make a complete wall. So basically, this all things are not needed for us for making the wall. So we just delete it. We delete it right over here also, and we clean these things up too. More the cleaner your wall lines is, it will be easier for you to make the model. So in many cases, what you do is that you select it, then you make a face on it, and you just start to pulling up the walls. But what if the these things are not alone, and there are multiple walls right over here. Let's say right over here, like this, we have multiple walls. Let's just consider that we are having multiple walls. Okay, so what is the easiest way that we do is we just make the face of this. It's in a very simple way, and we paste all the faces. Of course, we can just do it by pressing Control M and Shift M. That is a shortcut of make face. This is just easier. Now, what we do for creating this in one single click is select every one of it, and then you have to select the face up tool, which is right over here, and then specify the size, which is basically 3000 in any case, and just press two times enter, and all of your walls will be ready at one go. So this is how easy it is to make multiple walls in SketchUp all at the same time, and it also makes individual groups whatever is needed by you, and whatever you need, you can just delete the groups you don't want, you can edit the groups you want, and then also you can make components of it and things like that. So this is a extension named FaceUp, which will make it very easy. This is how it looks, and that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.